Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so for Circle, if I'm zooming out, I do have that's a third wave. We had a possible fourth. Now I'm not even sure if this was indeed the fourth or this was just a very deep A. This is the B and can go even lower for the C wave. I'm actually going to put this scenario now and determine what would be the height for that. But maybe, well, it's not bad, honestly. It could have been way, way worse. Let me double check here. I'm going to put it on the left side. Okay, so if this is the A, this is the B, and now we're going to go lower, well, you know, this should be the area between $75 and $79, where the price should find support. Otherwise, we are going to invalidate this fourth wave. And then at this point, I'm going just to say that this is a wave A. This was a B. And we still have the C left to go. The problem with that, I think, didn't we already did that? No, we didn't. Okay, so that's fine. So that's the other scenario. I thought I already put it there. Okay, that was the bigger C wave here. Okay, so the idea is, or was, so we have a bigger A wave here, deeper pullback for a B, and now we're working into the C. The target 236.54 if we're doing that ABC. Now, could I be wrong? Yeah, clearly I can. But for a moment, I mean, ABC for the A, this was the B, and then we have 5 wave down. It does work pretty well. Okay, so let me go back here on the 1 hour. And so I just want to set things right. So from the bottom here, I also had discount in orange, an A, a B, and a C. And you can see that the target was the 1-to-1 ratio, 118.05. We did reach that, and now it looks like price is getting rejected. So I'm going to do as well a scenario where this is the A looking for the B now, level support. All right. So I'm going to take the settings for the B wave. I'm going to put that in blue, so it's going to be a little bit easier to follow up. And this I can remove now. This also. Okay. So now we know that I'm just trying to see. I'm going to recycle this count here. I'm just going to put it here. So this would be the B and eventually the C, and that is going to complete. I don't know where is it now, but yeah, this one here. I lost the other one. The bigger B, the bigger C. Where are you? Where are you? My God, it was very far. Okay, so there we have it now. And today it's, well, I mean, this week and next week, I think is going to be the week of we're going to know what's going to happen. really. By the end of next week, we should know if the price, first of all, if it can hold this level. If it doesn't, in 2-3 weeks, by the end of May, this is going to be another decision point. It would be a little bit counterproductive if, Bitcoin really has to go and start to skyrocket unless we have some clarity, structure, law that is really having a good news that can just give us a spark to push up that last leg up. And after that, I am expecting a bigger correction, because even if the law pass, yes, a lot of people are going to FOMO in, skyrocket, and then after that I am expecting a major reversal. And that and because let's face it, even if the Clarity Act pass, you have several steps until it doesn't pass to the president and sign it. It's all just paperwork. And even when it becomes signed by the president, it's going to take time to install, or that the industry that they really scale in. So it does make sense that we're going to go lower until next year. Maybe the end of this year, maybe the end or beginning of next year, we should see the low around, I would say, November and February. Then would be a very good place, maybe in my opinion anyway, to start to accumulate. And after that, we're going to start to see the surge, because it takes several months to industry to adapt. Even if they prepare for it, when it's not a deal done, you're not going to start to, for example, train your people, integrate your real finance into the blockchain and stuff like that. So it takes time, even if they see it coming. But until it's not the deal done, I don't think industries that are going to pretend as everything is fine and signed and approved, because you're wasting money in training people. So maybe they do a little bit, but they will not go all in. So this is why I believe it's not a deal done, and it's not because they sign that everything is going to be spick and span. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.